Aloha YouTube, what is up? Unsigned Hawaii here, coming at you with a $2,000 sneaker mystery box on Mystery Box Fridays, guys. I know Christmas ended like 2 days ago, but that's okay. Still gonna open up a Christmas themed holiday mystery box for you guys. This one is from Direct Kicks, and again, it's $2,000, and I believe they said that this one is Christmas themed, so hopefully there's like some good like Christmas goodies and stuff in there. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. And we are gonna get into the mystery box, but before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. They're the premier minimalistic jewelry company that is bringing it this holiday season, guys. And for the longest time, they've only had like men's jewelry and stuff, but recently they started adding women's jewelry on the website as well. So if you guys are hype bays, if you guys are female sneakerheads and you guys want some dope jewelry for great prices, then I would highly recommend you guys check that out. As for like the men's jewelry though, I'm actually rocking that silver wing necklace over here. I'll pop it up on the screen so you guys can see it close up, but basically a very nice piece if you guys are wearing like black tees and stuff. And I guess it matches pretty good with this Hype Beast Supreme Santa hat, limited edition, baby. This thing was like reselling for like 500 bucks, I think. Anyway, check that out, guys. What's even better is that Rose Gold and Black is hooking up the Untied Ohana with 30% off when you guys use the link in the description below. So 30% off, already great prices, means that they're even better, guys. So highly recommend you guys cop your own jewelry today. Again, if you guys want to look fashionable and stylish, Rose Gold and Black, it's where it's at, guys. That rhymes. Bars. Let's go. Mystery box time. Man, this thing is annoying. Okay, let's get into the mystery box now. $2,000 Direct Kicks. Let's check it out. So that's what they meant by holiday theme, man. They actually wrapped up all of these shoes in different little like gift wrapping and stuff. This is sick. For Bryson, happy holidays from your DK family. Merry Christmas to you. This is sick. I've never unboxed a mystery box where like every single shoe is like wrapped up. That's so sick. All right, so this is gonna take a little bit more time, guys. Gonna have to unwrap this one. Ooh, right on. So this is not part of like the box's value and stuff, but it looks like Direct Kicks hooked us up with one of their hoodies, and it's actually printed on Champion material, so that's why this thing is like super comfortable and stuff. Very cool. Thank you for the Christmas gift, Direct Kicks. This is sick. And let's check out these. I'm guessing this is some of the shoes now. I should guess the sneaker models before we even open these up. That'll make it a little bit more fun. These are a pair of Vans though, and they are in a size 10.5. And for this one, we have a pair of I don't knows, guys. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not big on Vans, but I mean, it is pretty colorful. So this one has like a checkerboard pattern over here on the midsole and has a yellow and blue upper. This is actually not too bad of a shoe. However, it would be definitely hard to match anything with this. It does look like it is brand new though. I don't see anything on the bottoms and nothing on the top. So if you guys want to cop any of these shoes, they will be available on untiedhawaii.com. You guys can check it out over there as well. It's a flip lid. I want to say it's an Air Force One box, guys. That's my guess. Air Force One. Oh, man. Okay, I'm not very good at this guessing thing. We have a Nike box over here. This one is a size 10.5 Roshi Run. That's not good for resale. That's too funny. It's a box in a box. And I actually was correct. It is an Air Force One box. So technically, I am the man. That's what that means. Because I can predict boxes from boxes. So yeah, let's open up this one. This one is a size 7 actually, Air Force One mid. And okay, I guess I was wrong. Because it's one of those box in a box in a box things. So yeah, not an Air Force One. This one is actually an off-white box, and this one is a Vapormax size 6. Hopefully there's not a smaller box than this. There we go. So it is a pair of the off-white Vapormax, guys. Thankfully there wasn't another box in there because that would have sucked, but we have a pair of Vapormax off-whites. Very nice pair right here. I'm not big on Vapormax, but this is actually a pretty clean design for the Vapormax models, guys. You guys can see that off-white branding over here on the back heel. It does look like this one is worn, slightly worn, nothing too crazy though. I don't see like any discoloration over here on the bottom. It does have the zip tie still, and also comes with the extra laces, so that's good. This one is a size 6 though, so kind of more of a base size. I'm not really sure what the market is on these, but I'm guessing there's some pretty good resale value over there, and much better than a Roshi Run or Air Force One box, so that's good. This is a lot of fun, guys. I wish every box was like Christmas themed like this. This one feels like the lid can actually pop up. I don't think it's a Jordan 1 box though. Jordan 4 box? 3? It is a Jordan 1 box. Interesting. You know why? It's because I'm not used to feeling like Jordan 1 boxes that I guess are smaller, because this one is actually in a size 7Y, so that's like a youth size. And this one is a pair. Whoa, nice. This is a pair of Jordan 1 bread toes, dude. Nice. This is one of my favorite sneakers like of all time. Check this out. One of my favorite models because it is a very slept on quality sneaker, guys. Like the leather quality on here is insane. You guys can check it up close. Very, very nice leather material over here. This one does look like it is lightly worn. You guys see there's a little bit of dirty soles on the bottom, but overall the toe box is pretty clean and nothing crazy over here on the back. So this is a good sneaker, guys, and I know a lot of people are gonna flame me for this, but I do like these sneakers better than the Jordan 1 bands. I don't know, it doesn't have like that nostalgia kind of effect, but in terms of like color blocking and stuff, I just feel like this is a lot cleaner than the Jordan 1 bands. Again, personal preference though. It is what it is. That's a good sneaker, and I'm sure it's good for the counter over here too. Oh, this is kind of a bummer. There's only one Christmas present left in here. The rest are unwrapped. Should I save this one? We'll save this one. We'll save this one. So I'm gonna put that one on the side over there. Let's open some of these ones that aren't wrapped up then. This one is a Nike SB box. It is a Dunk Low in a size 12. And for this one, whoa, dang. Okay, here we go. We got a pair of purple lobsters in here, guys. Dang, this is sick. So if you guys check this one out, this one is a pair of the Nike Dunk Lows purple lobsters. This is a sneaker collab made with Concepts, and it's really dope actually. Very unique design. You guys see that checkered pattern in here, and also just a very purple shoe. This one actually comes with the bands too. So these bands are supposed to be like over here on the toe box because they are from that like lobster series. So I don't know, the shoe is supposed to represent a lobster, which is why they have bands, because they put bands on a lobster claw. Yeah, kind of a stretch, but that is still super sick. Does have both set of bands and all of the laces and stuff too. So this is really dope, guys. Very nice sneaker right there, and I know these are going for good resale value. So another nice pickup right here from Direct Kicks. This box is full of bangers so far, guys. Next up, we have a LeBron box. Man, young line, right on. Young LeBron. This one is a LeBron 8 in a size 11. And it's actually written on the box over here. So whoever owned this, thanks for ruining the surprise. It's a Christmas LeBron 8. So Christmas themed, getting even more Christmas themed. This is a pair of LeBron Christmases, guys. You guys can see why it's called the Christmas, because it does have those green laces with an all red upper, making it kind of like a Christmas themed kind of shoe. Really dope over here, and actually these go for a decent amount of resale. These do look like they're in lightly worn condition, maybe worn once. I don't see anything crazy on the bottoms. This is another dope piece right here, guys, and it's cool to see like an actual Christmas themed sneaker. Like, I know there's very few like Christmas like focused sneakers, but the ones that they do make usually are pretty dope. Like, I know that there are a lot of like SB Dunks that have the Christmas theme, but it's cool to see like other models like LeBrons or Jordans and stuff doing that as well. 3 shoes left. This one is a Foamposite box, it looks like, in a size 7.5. And for this one, we have a pair of University Red Foamposites. Foamposites don't resell as well as they used to, but I think these are still really nice models. And when they're in good condition like this, they usually sell pretty well. I don't know if they're in good condition. You can see a couple scuffs over here. That's unfortunate. However, the paint does rub off pretty easy on Foamposites, which is unfortunate. Another kind of like holiday themed sneaker, I guess, because it does have that red. Easier to wear than those LeBron 8s though, I would say. And 2 more boxes. This is a Supreme box, Air Force One High Supreme box. Interesting. And this one, whoa. Okay, man, I haven't seen these in person before. This is crazy. I didn't realize, like, when I was reading it, I didn't really like visualize what this shoe could be, but this is sick to see in hand, guys. And again, kind of holiday themed because it is a red version of the Supreme one, which is like probably the best seller as well. And this one is actually from 2014, so it's an older model for sure. You guys can see it is in worn condition. However, doesn't look like it's too bad. I mean, there is creasing back here and creasing on the back heel. However, the bottoms don't look that run down. There is a little bit of like heel drag back here. You guys can see it does have that Supreme branding on the back, and also on the strap over here it does say world famous and 94 back there as well. So this is a really dope sneaker. I'm thinking that this is great value too. I've never actually owned any of these, but from what I've seen like on the resale market, these things hit real good. And again, just very holiday theme, man. This works like really well for the Supreme Santa hat, you know, resale 500 bucks. Buy it now on untiedahawaii.com, guys. But yeah, check that out. If you guys cop this one online, maybe I'll throw in the hat for free. We'll see. This is a very sick pickup, and I'm guessing this is the money shoe of the box, but we still have one more Christmas present to open, so let's check that one out. Ah, sad. It's always that weird feeling when you're like at the very end of Christmas and you're opening your last present, you know? That was always the biggest bummer as a kid, man. However, there does have to be an end, so here we go. This one, if I had to guess, I think it's just like a standard Nike box. I think I was right. No, not really standard. It's a Nike Foamposite box, it looks like. Nope, this one is the LeBron JE Icon. Interesting. This one is in a size 10. Oh, and it's a replacement box. Man, Direct Kicks is just fooling me like all day with this stuff, guys. What sneaker is this, dude? I feel like this is like a player exclusive kind of sneaker because I don't remember seeing this one, but the quality of material and stuff on this is actually really, really nice. And it is in a replacement box, so it would make sense that this is like a higher tier model, you know? So check this thing out up close, guys. Help me out with this if you guys know what this is in the comments below. This does look like it is a player exclusive or something though, because I haven't seen like patterns and stuff like this on a Jordan 10 before. Also, what I just saw in here, which I didn't realize, is that there is a number on here which says 141 of 230. So it is a limited edition pair. I gotta check out what this is because I'm not sure, but it is a pretty sick sneaker, and again, kind of holiday themed because it is red. So that is dope, makes sense, and I hope that this one is actually a money shoe as well, which would mean that this box is very, very dope. So it does look like Direct Kicks came through on Christmas because we got some bangers in here and some good memories because that was some very funny stuff, dude. I've never seen like a box in a box in a box before for mystery boxes. Keeping it light, keeping it fun. Also, shout out for the free hoodie and stuff. Direct Kicks has been super sick so far. Really like this company, and I think it's a very, very good place to buy mystery boxes or to just cop shoes from. So definitely recommend this. All of the shoes and stuff will be on the website, so if you guys don't see it on there, then it's probably already been sold out. Usually the shoes go pretty quick though, so if you guys don't cop it like right after the video, it's probably already gone, guys. Thank you guys so much for being part of this family, being part of this Ohana, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots, ho ho ho, whatever it is, man. I gotta get this off.